Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, November 17th, 2023, and it's 3:56 and 32 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, net zero, so let's hop to it here. No one-size-fits-all solution for the net zero grid, date November 16th, 2023, source, University of Surrey. As power generation from sources like solar and wind increases, along with the introduction of devices such as heat pumps and batteries, a new optimization tool will help the UK plan for a greener electricity network. The researchers developed an algorithm to model how these smaller networks distributed electricity, factoring in how local grids can become unbalanced by adding too many heat pumps in a single area or generating more electricity than the grid can accept. And by adding data on energy prices, government subsidies, and demand to the model, the study could suggest the most efficient way of designing local grids. The government now needs to think seriously about whether new subsidies or even market changes, such as pricing electricity differently during off-peak periods, are needed to enable communities to move towards net zero. The model could also suggest the best size of heat pump for a particular setting. In future, this can help households avoid being oversold large appliances and avoid damaging local grids. As changes in energy prices, the cost of batteries, or government subsidies can all have large effects on which solutions are best for a particular location. The research could help shape government policy, revealing clearly how effective subsidies and system design can pave the way for net zero initiatives. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.